In this video, I'm starting my bathroom remodel, and we're gonna do it right now. Okay, today's the day. It's finally here. And what we're gonna do is start by taking this ceiling down. I'm basically gonna work my way from the bottom, or from the top down. And also I need to get a pipe up this way for plumbing to get a vent out of the roof. So I got to take the ceiling down to do that, plus to do this fan, and I got to insulate all this. So I'm gonna wear a mask because I know I had a mouse problem. So we're probably gonna uncover all kinds of goodies up there. So let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. Let's do it. First thing I'm gonna do is take down all this molding. Well, that's not gonna be hard. I'm gonna take it off from all the way around, and then I'll take that fan cover down and start ripping these tiles down. I can already tell this is gonna be fun. Look at all that. Ooh. Actually, it looks like a mix between just debris and just some mice poop in there. Lovely. Ow, that's hot. Ow. Oh, that's really hot. Okay, let's start pulling these tiles down. Let's see what we find. Sheetrock. Oh. I don't know if I like that. That sheetrock is in terrible shape. Looks like I'll be tearing that sheetrock down too. Just an extra step. Yeah, I was honestly not expecting to see sheetrock up there. The reason being is because every day for the last couple of years, taking a shower, there was that piece of molding missing. And the tile came out to like here, and I saw strapping, and I'm like, oh, good. I just have to rip the tiles down. There's no sheetrock up there, but guess what? There was a big gap with the sheetrock here. So, and you can tell this, from this being a bathroom and there was never a fan in here until I moved in, the moisture got to it, and it's kind of, wouldn't be surprised if it falls on my head. Especially over here, but I think this is a different issue. It's not good. So that right there is from a roof leak, I think. And on my roof, there's a spot where the two, this was an addition, and the bedroom over there was an addition, and there's a weird spot where they connect. And I think at one point it was leaking and did all this damage. I'm pretty sure the leak is stopped, but I'm glad I'm doing this because that's black mold right there. So that's definitely got to go and get addressed. But my first surprise, always gonna find surprises when you start taking your house apart. Just know that. And you gotta, fix it as you go. I'm not scared. You shouldn't be either. Let's keep going. So I got the tiles down and discovered there's sheetrock. So this is what I'm thinking, because also I noticed I had some water damage there, and obviously a nest of some kind, because every time we open and close the door, we have these little whirligigs and leaves and pine needles falling down. So I have a little bit more work up on the ceiling than I realized I would have. And what I need to do, God, that squeaky floor. What I need to do is rip down all the sheetrock and then rip out all the old insulation. That stuff's probably gonna fall right out. And I have to change this fan out and the vent pipe. I'm gonna replace that because I'm gonna replace that with insulated pipe because it's not insulated right now. And I don't wanna leave this all open because it's the winter time. I wouldn't want an open hole into the attic anyways. So since there's all that work to be done there, and I still have to run a new line for this fan because this is a 3-wire going this way and I only need a 2-wire, so I have to replace that line. One of these switches is for the light and one's for the fan. So the new fan, I'm only gonna need one switch and it comes with its own switch. So what I'm gonna do, also, there's a lot of stuff here. I have to turn this wall into a 2x4 wall because right now it's a 2x3, and putting the door trim on and stuff is just gonna cause issues, and I have to put a smaller size box in there for the electrical stuff. So I wanna turn this into a 2x4 wall. So what I'm gonna do is tear this wall apart right now and put the line up wherever I need to. And I'm also debating switching the swing of this door so it opens this way instead of this way towards the toilet. But I want to open that up and get a better look at it. And then that way, when I go to tear the ceiling out, at least I won't have to spend the time taking this wall apart in order to run lines and everything. I'll be ready to do it for when this gets opened up and exposed. So let's get to it. I can get rid of these. So let me know in the comments what you think so far. When I first start a job like this, there's a lot of thinking, a lot of contemplation. I thought I was gonna have this whole ceiling ripped down and then put back up, you know, put insulation up and everything, but it didn't necessarily happen, and that's what happens when you do projects like this. But next time, I'm planning on running wires, moving this door. It's happening, and I appreciate you following along on this series. So Stay tuned. You can click hereish and hereish for more videos on this bathroom remodel, and I really appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one.